date function. Often you may need to insert date values into a date column. How do we create a date value? We can do it by toDate function. First, we need to type the character string which needs to be converted into a date value. Then we need to indicate its format. In this SQL, I am using this character string as enclosed within these single quotes followed by its format here. 05 is as in month / here and so / here too. 01 is dd as in day / and / 2016 is YYYY as in year space here and space here. 05 is HH in hour, semicolon here and semicolon here too. 00 is MI as in minutes. Let me run the SQL. In this SQL, I have changed the format. Format is just a way of inputting the value. Once it gets stored as a date value, then we can read it in any way that we want. Important thing is to store it as a date value. That is all. And we can do regular date operations on it. I am adding 3 months to it. I am checking last day of that month. These are possible only after a successful conversion of this to a date value. Thank you for watching.